Blend the aloe vera
Which is so sticky and gooey.
and look at what she's doing. My granddaughter. She's playing with the gooey thing.
Because it looks like slimy.
Yeah. Now we can go and do it now in here, okay? Let's continue our shampoo making. We'll put a little bit of water and then we are going to blend. There. Can I have this one, Mama?
Yeah.
Thank you. So now we put it there.
Yay! Get the all slime out.
The slime in everything, there's slime inside. And then we will have
My
to
slime
close. Where is the cover of that one that I left?
over there.
Okay. Is it close already? I think it's close enough. Okay. Now we will have to little bit only. It's not so fast. I need faster.
It is fast.
It's not taking it. Yeah. It's fast already. So we have to blend until everything is already so what are we doing here? We're doing this one or this one?
Why is this slime so slimy? I can't believe I'm just putting aloe vera gel on me.
Yeah. Remember? Oh, you want to
My
put it in
face.
your face too.
I don't know why, but it's just sunblock.
So how does it feel?
Cold.
Cold and
Comfortable.
I want it more liquefied so that when we put the shampoo, it would be automatically go. And the favorite gel. Wow! We will put a preservative first. Just maybe a love it. You makes my skin
Soft and slippery.
soft and slippery.
So when a beast tries to sting you, it's
We have to
slippery.
wait for this one to Natasha. It has to subside because there's so many bubbles. See, there's so many bubbles. We have to wait. Okay.
It looks like a bar thingy that you can drink. One
Yeah,
of
I
those
know.
bars.
But listen, we have to wait. Okay. So now we will. That's what you want to put in. Alright, we continue our shampoo making. We have here the aloe vera gel that we blended a while ago. Now it has subsided a little bit on the bubbles. And then we have the water here that we put and the shampoo that we together ingredients. Come on, Natasha. And this one is where we put the shampoo. Hi! You just wake up! Oh my, okay. Let's continue, my dear. Let's open it up like this. And then we're gonna be putting this one here. Like that.
Soft.
Good, so soft now. A while ago, it was not like that, right? Remember?
Yeah.
Now, we have to put at least on the container, Natasha, we're putting the have the the aloe vera gel that we blended in here like that. Look, has to be like almost half of the bottle. Okay. Once it's almost half, then we will put the water, and then we put a little bit of shampoo to
I wish I had pizza.
what do you think
today.
about that? Is it already half?
No.
Not yet.
So,
How much do we put more?
this.
No, it's too much. I guess it's already half. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Stop, Lola. Then we put some more in here so we can prepare it for the other shampoo. Now we are going to put water a little bit. First is the shampoo. We'll put the shampoo. And I guess we can put twice as this one. Okay? Now let's put the shampoo. This is the shampoo that I'm using for my aloe vera shampoo. It's the castle soap. It's all right. We put 2 of this one. We will put 2. Okay. 1. And 2. Did you see what I did, Baba? I put 2 of this one,
Uh-huh.
and then we will put the water. Put the water.
Can I put it?
You wanna put the water?
Oh, it looks hard. It looks kind of hard.
I guess we have to put something. Wow, you're good. Your hands are steady. Oh, careful. Say it's not the foam is already there. So now that's it for now, and then we will continue on while we are subside the bubbles are subsiding. We're gonna shake. Voila! We have a shampoo. Shake.
Shaped.
And now we have an aloe vera shampoo. Thank you for helping me, Natasha. Did you learn something today?
Yes.
Can you tell them?
I learned how to make shampoo and how to get
From the very beginning, what did we do?
Oh, we got some
We harvested the leaves.
and then we cut them off
Mm-hmm. And
and
then when we cut off, what did we do? We remove.
we removed it and
We
then
removed the what? What did we remove?
the poison,
The gel.
gel and poison.
And the poison. Yeah, good. The yellow one is the poison. Always remember, remove the poison. Okay. Then we put them in the
Blender.
for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay. There goes. I'll call this Natasha Aloe Vera Shampoo. But this one I need to have his own. I have to make one for her. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and push the button so that when we have a new video with my granddaughter, because we're doing more, you will be notified. Thank you. This is Lola Femi's Lifestyle signing off. Bye.